Where does the name for Cornist come from? So today I'm in a Flint in Flintshire, and this park behind me is called Cornist Park. Now, there are other places associated with the name, including a hall and a couple of streets as well. Let's get into the name. The name is made of two parts, both from Old English. First we have corna, which is the genitive plural of corn, meaning a crane, like the bird, so of the cranes. Then we have hurst, which is a hillock or a small hill. An early recorded name for the area comes from the 1400s, where it's recorded as Cornehurst. The name is strongly associated with Cornist Hall, a small manor house in the area. The manor seems to have taken its name from Cornist Canol, which was a farm in the area as well. The hall has had many famous residents, such as Thomas Totty, who was at the Battle of Trafalgar, and Daniel Peck, who established a lead smeltery in nearby Flint. The present Cornist Hall was built in the mid-1880s for Richard Muspratt, who owned an alkali works on the coast. Following his and his widow's death, it was sold to Henry Summers, the owner of Shotton Steel Works. I'm not sure who currently owns it, but it doesn't seem to be doing too well at the moment. As a place name in Flintshire, with its unusual mix of Old English and Welsh, I must thank Hywelwyn Owen for his research on this in his book Place Names of Flintshire. I'll put a link to it in the description, so if you're interested, you'll know where to find a copy. So the name literally means the hillock of the cranes. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.